It's 11:30 and I'm hungry. What do? I want some good vegetables and maybe a little bit of chicken. I can do it all pretty easily, and we're gonna do it in the air fryer. First, we're gonna start with some butternut squash. Now you can buy the whole squash or you can buy it cut up, because why? Because this is easy. So, just like every other recipe, put it in a bowl. Extra virgin olive oil, salt, a touch of pepper. Za'atar. You can stop at just salt and pepper, but you know. Mix it up by hand so everything has everything in it. And toss it in your air fryer. But wait, I'm a carnivore. I want something besides just butternut squash. It's gonna be delicious, so we're gonna put a piece of chicken on top of it. Same ingredients. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Skin side up. Touch of za'atar. Could it be that easy? Yeah, it's lunch. In 10 minutes, I'm going to check the temperature of the chicken to make sure it's not overcooked. Let's check and see if this is ready. It doesn't look quite ready. Temperature's only 121 degrees, so that's not ready yet. We're going to keep cooking. Look at that beautiful, beautiful butternut squash. So I'm going to check the temperature again. It's been about 16 minutes. I think it's going to be more than done at this point. Let's check. Oh, that looks good. Look at that butternut squash. (150 degrees, 149, that's perfect. Let's take it out and eat it. This was 20 ounces of squash. Divided between 2 plates, that's 10 ounces each. What does that mean? That means you've gotten the vegetables you need in just one meal. Oh my God, how's that thing? All right, let's try this. Boy, not only is that moist, skin is crisp. I don't know about you guys, I'm gonna have lunch. Bye-bye.